Welcome to Module 4, User Operations. After completing this module, you should be able to describe the various menu options for Live View Mode, Playback Mode, set up live view layouts on the monitor, identify the functions of the PTZ control and status fields, describe search the information in Logbook, manage the event list and display incoming alarms, identify various playback control options, use the search options to search stored video for date and time, events, motion, additional data, authenticate images, protect video, and delete video, export a video clip and review exported video, explain various icons as seen on the screen. When the BRS program has started, the screen displays the login dialog box. The dialog box will have a different appearance depending on whether you have logged on with or without Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, LTAP access. For systems that are not connected to an LTAP server, only the username and password will be required. For systems that are connected to an LTAP server, an additional field is displayed that allows you to select the LTAP server, or, if you wish to log on locally, the local system must be selected. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the various functional areas of the Live Mode interface. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the various functional areas of the Playback Mode interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the display bar. The first two buttons display the workspace, allowing you to show video in live or playback mode. There are several buttons for image display, including the option to expand the image area to full screen size. To return to normal view, press the Escape key or double-click the right mouse button. As indicated in items 1 and 2 in the table, there are several image view options for SD cameras with an aspect ratio 4:3. Item 3 shows the image view options that allow displaying HD video in 16:9 aspect ratio. The number in the lower right of a display mode indicates how often the image view has been selected and which cameras will be selected the next time the user clicks this button. For example, to display 8 cameras in a 2x2 window, number 1 indicates the first view grouping, which will display cameras 1 to 4. Number 2 indicates the second view grouping, with cameras 5 to 8 being displayed. Select the camera sequence button and enter the dwell time. The system will now switch from one camera to the next. During the camera sequence, all cameras selected in the image area are displayed, one after the other. The volume control option allows you to switch the sound on or off and adjust the volume. The device list is located on the left-hand side of the screen. Depending on the mode selected, the following are displayed: locally configured cameras and/or Bosch recording stations, favorites view, these are unique to each user, incoming alarms, a list of exported video data, playback mode only. The device list displays all locally configured cameras and configured remote stations and the cameras connected to them. Networked remote stations are automatically connected to the local system. Right-click on the remote station to call up the commands to connect to, disconnect from, or remotely configure. Favorites which have been saved are listed and can be called up by double-clicking the icon. The alarm icon flashes red after alarms have been received by the system. Alarm cameras can be configured to display automatically, and incoming alarms can be recorded automatically, standard, or manually on the recipient if configured. Note: alarm recording takes place without audio. The icon for exported video is displayed if exported video is played back in Bosch recording station. Take a moment to review all the icons and their meaning, as